In the titration of KMnO4 and oxalic acid in acidic medium, the change in oxidation number of carbon at the end point is dash. Oxalic acid का फॉर्मूला होता है COOH. So this can also be written as H2C2O4. Now what is the oxidation state of carbon in oxalic acid? Let it be Z. Let the oxidation state of each atom of carbon in oxalic acid be Z. Oxidation state of hydrogen is +1 and oxidation state of oxygen is -2. Molecule of oxalic acid is neutral, so total charge on the molecule is 0. Now 2 atoms of hydrogen, so it can be written as 2 into 1 plus 2 atoms of carbon, so 2 into Z plus 4 atoms of oxygen, so 4 into -2 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 2 plus 2Z minus 8 is equal to 0. Solving, Z will be equal to 8 minus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to +3. So oxidation state of each atom of carbon in oxalic acid is 3. Now when oxalic acid is treated with KMnO4 in acidic solution in acidic medium, oxalic acid changes to CO2. Now in carbon dioxide, the oxidation state of carbon will be, let the oxidation state of carbon in carbon dioxide, let it be Y. Oxidation state of oxygen is -2. So oxidation state of carbon in carbon dioxide can be calculated as, now there is one atom of carbon in each molecule of carbon dioxide. So 1 into Y plus there are 2 atoms of oxygen in one molecule of carbon dioxide. So 2 into oxidation state of each atom of oxygen, that is -2, and this is equal to 0. So Y minus 4 is equal to 0 or Y is equal to +4. So in oxalic acid, each atom of carbon has oxidation state of +3, and in carbon dioxide each atom of carbon has oxidation state of +4. So when oxalic acid is changing into carbon dioxide, the change in oxidation number of carbon will be 4 minus 3, that is 1. So change in oxidation number of carbon will be 1. So the answer here will be 1.